This is cool. So it has turned on the switch. It is time to get up.
We get to wake up to what other people dream about. Salada Jamaica Mountain Peak Instant Coffee. Wake up to paradise.
Cool! Wake up!
Rise up, rise up, rise up. You know you got to get up. All right. Get up, get up. Oh, get up, get up, get up. Rise up, rise up. Now, here's a brand new day. This is your wake up time. It's time to get up to it, move it. In the one direction.
Okay, I have to wave my hand in the background to activate the motion detector so it moves to the next sequence.
Hello, I am Ku, greatest TikiBot. I shine light on world. With me is Malu, ruler of Lua o Belu, land of dead. We protect God, Huakuai Ku, spirits of ancient warriors. We are not your enemy, and we are not your friend. Be wise, prepare human sacrifice to me. Ku, a full moon, lights up the seas. As you walk, turn away eyes from sacred grounds and spirits. When drums sound, you dance high with fire. Do not disrespect Tiki and Tiki land. The jungle will swallow your soul. You have been warned.
What have I got?
You know, pygmies are a real pain in the ankles.
I thought I was wrong once, but then I found out I was mistaken.
I am so smart, I counted to infinity twice.
I am so smart, my mother calls me son. The only true wisdom is knowing you know nothing.
There's that man again. Who is he? Ask him.
I'm the ruler.
Hello, this is Ku, and you need to duck.
Okay, so we're showing the rear of the Tikis just to see how they're built. All the LEDs that are on the front are run off a 5-volt supply. They have various different flash modes and whatever that are built into the LEDs. So we have some inefficient resistors for the dropping networks on resistors for current limiting. in different branches of the LEDs. They're fairly static. They're driven off of a power supply in the back here. I removed the adjustment pot and put a brand new one here. I was going to make it automatic, but at this time it's manual, so I can adjust the brightness of all the banks of LEDs on the front according to the outside light. Start over here. It's a 115 volt input. We have an on and off switch. I have a fuse on the front end. Feeds two bulk power supplies. One is 5 volts, one is 12 volts. They feed through power distribution boards that are home brewed. Again, over here's a buck power supply for LEDs. Through here, additional. Back here is a circuit board that is controlling the VU meter that's on the Tiki torch in the middle and the front. Back over here is the main controller, which is a Arduino Mega. On top is a WTV020 sound module. On the back is a homebrew interface board. It also sits on top of the Arduino Mega for driving the LCD display on the front. Again, some other power supplies. This is a 3 volt power supply for the WTV020. We have relays in here to turn on the 115 volt AC Tiki torches with the neon lights in them. That's pretty cool. This is a 15 by 15 watt audio amplifier that's being used to drive the speakers. They're facing forward. The whole unit is triggered from a PIR sensor that can peek through the leaves most of the time. It's actually peeking through the leaves. It detects motion, and that's what triggers the animation. There are 26 different animation routines. The beginning starts off with the 26, and they repeat themselves. There are about 200 audio tracks that are mixed voices, all my voice, mixed with different music and jokes and sayings, and those will play for hours and hours before any of them start to repeat. So there we are.
Malu,
That's cool.
do you know how to make a papaya shake?
No.
Put it in the freezer. Ho, 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 ho.